Been a big increase in testing in Massachusetts. Almost 4,000 people were tested over the past day. And sadly, there's been a jump in deaths as well. Here's a look at the latest numbers. 25 people have now died in our state. More than 2,400 people have tested positive. As Kristina Rex shows us, getting protective gear now to the front lines has been tough, and the governor is fired up.
Governor Baker has asked the federal government to declare a major disaster here in Massachusetts. If approved, it would open up resources as state officials struggle to get necessary equipment to our first responders.
Our first responders, our healthcare workers, everybody deserves to have that gear. And I'm telling you, we're killing ourselves trying to make it happen.
Frustrations with the feds. Governor Baker says Massachusetts had struggled to secure necessary protective equipment for first responders, outbid by the federal government.
I stand here as someone who has had confirmed orders for millions of pieces of gear evaporate in front of us. And I can't tell you how frustrating it is.
I think there's a noticeable increase in the amount of anxiety.
Dr. Sean Leo works in the emergency room at Mass General and just tested negative for COVID-19. She says the hospital is requiring all employees to wear masks at all times and conserving the equipment they have now.
Before, I would literally just throw away my mask after seeing a patient, and now we're allowed to put them in a brown bag and just wear it for the entire shift.
As doctors and nurses go to work, most of the state is ordered to stay home.
That has put a tremendous number of people out of work.
Statewide, nearly 147,000 people applied for unemployment this week, up from just 7,000 last week.
The call center 10 days ago, 15 days ago, had roughly 50 people in it. Now the call center has 300 people in it.
And if approved, a major disaster declaration by the federal government would expand unemployment benefits across our state. Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
Meantime.